Hi, my name is Matthew Connors. In this video, I will show you how easily you can back up and restore your files using businessonlybackups.co.uk. So let's get started. First, we go to www.businessonlybackups.co.uk. On the menu here, we click on Download. We scroll down the download page and we choose our operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. In this case, we select the Windows version, which is compatible to all versions of Microsoft Windows, and we click here to begin the download. Once the download is complete, we will unzip our archive. Now let's proceed and open the folder we have just unpacked. We double-click on the setup and begin the installation. First, we click Next to begin the installation. Once we review the terms and conditions, we click on I accept the agreement and click Next. Now, we will have to input a unique identification name for our machine. It's recommended you use your email ID since it's globally unique. After we input our ID, we click Next, and Next one more time. Now we click Install and wait for the setup to finish the installation process. Once complete, we click Finish and Business Only Backups will run automatically. As we can see, a notification to the bottom right of our screen is informing us that the application has started. Now we click on the new icon to open our console. We type in admin as our default login and as our password. Now let's click Login. We can see that the backup process is divided in a few easy steps. Here, we will type in the name of our backup session. In this case, we will just call it Backup. And below, we select the location of the files and folders we want to back up. So let's say we want to back up these two files, Company Presentation and Company Structure. We click to select these two files. In the middle section of the console here, we type a password for the file encryption, and we confirm it by retyping it. Finally, we define the daily backup schedule time. We can have the backup run daily, weekly, or just this one time. Finally, we click here on Save Backup. A warning message will pop up asking us to make sure we don't forget the password we used to encrypt the files. We click OK. The scheduled backup has now been activated. Let's go ahead and click here on List Backups. As you can see here, our recently added backup is top of the list and will begin automatically when the scheduled time comes. However, you can click here on Run Now in order to start the backup now and not wait for the scheduled time. A window will pop up asking us if we would like to back up our files now. We click OK. As we can see, the backup is currently in progress. This might take several minutes depending on the size of your files and your internet speed. Once the backup has completed, we will see a successful notification appear on the bottom right corner of our screen. Congratulations, your files have been successfully encrypted and backed up. Okay, now I'm going to show you how easily you can restore your files back to your computer. On the top main menu, we click Restore and List Backups for Restore. Here, we will view a complete list of the data we backed up. We simply select what we want to restore, in this case backup, and click here on the Restore icon. Once we do so, we open the Restore wizard. On the left, we can see our backup session name, and in the middle, we select the location where we want our files to be restored to, having the original location as its default. On the right here, we type in the password we protected our files with, and we may select a new location for the files to be placed. Once you select your desired drop location, we click on Restore here. A window will pop up asking us to confirm. We click OK. Now, restoring is currently in progress. We may click on Restore Progress in order to view the progress bar as it downloads our files back. Once the overall process is complete, our files have been successfully restored to our computer. This covers the complete backup and restore process. It's that easy. Thank you for using business-only backups.